Look at those arches there. Beautiful red sandstone. Displaying the glory of God's creation by exploring America one park at a time. Welcome to Parking Full Time with Big Dave, the parks professor. Welcome back to Parking Full Time. I am Big Dave, the parks professor. We are at Abilene State Park. In particular, it appears we are right there. We are just south of Abilene, Texas. And therefore, we're in kind of central Texas. Deep in the heart of Texas, I guess is more accurate. Today is Sunday, February the 4th. And the temperature right now is a very pleasant 60 degrees. There's some nice interpretive signs here. Talks about Buffalo Gap. Gap in the plateau here. The hike we're going to do today is a 2-mile kind of around the park hike. As you saw, we're starting on the Elm Creek Nature Trail, and therefore we're in the very southern end of the park right now. We are going clockwise around the Elm Creek Nature Trail. Hopefully we're going to do some good wildlife viewing on this hike. You never know about that for sure. We'll see. So that is the plan. Let's get into it. About 15 to 20 minutes in, and we've been coming around the Elm Creek Trail, and now we're around to this area, a little pond called Buffalo Wallow. Also, the main road, the main farm to market road that leads to this park is just off to our left here. Maybe you can hear sounds of vehicles, and that's where that's coming from. I was kind of hoping there'd be some more wildlife around here. I saw some cardinals, but that's about it so far. So, a very pleasant spot here. We will keep going around the Elm Creek Trail. The Elm Creek Trail is a semi-loop. We started at the south end and we just made it to the north end. And now I'm showing you this. This is the old park concession area and swimming pool. This was built by the Civilian Conservation Corps back in the 1930s. And I'm showing it to you because I think it's beautiful. Look at those arches there. Beautiful red sandstone. Wonderful parkitecture here in Abilene. So next we have to figure out how we're going to get back to the start of the Elm Creek Trail. We could just backtrack, but I think I've got a better plan. And so we'll get to that next. I'm talking kind of quiet because we have made it around to the bird blind. To get here, we came around the Scout Trail. Changing angles to get a better angle on that cardinal right there. We came around the Scout Trail, and then the Oak Grove Trail, which took us into part of the campground. And then finally the Bird Blind Trail, which brought us to here. Nice spot here. Some cardinals out there. I saw some finches out there. Some squirrels out there too. There are the squirrels. So I guess this could also be a squirrel blind. It's only a couple hundred feet to finish this hike, and thereby getting back to the south corner of this park and the parking area down there. And so I'll go ahead and close out this video here. I do want to thank you for watching. Parking full time would not be anything without the people who watch. I realize that every day, and I thank you every day. Also, as a reminder, I do not make any monetary compensation for anything that I do for this project. And therefore, all I get for producing these videos are your likes, your subscribes, your views, and your comments. And I do appreciate all of those things. So I'm going to close this video from the bird blind / squirrel blind at Abilene State Park, Abilene, Texas. I am Big Dave, the parks professor for parking full time. Have a great afternoon. Take care, and Lord bless.